Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to the InTouch. This is the online sourcing event powered by APF.com. My name is Solomon, speaking to you live in APF headquarters in Hong Kong, and you can see our office. Thank you for joining us today, and APF organized series of online events and business matching service to the buyer and supplier in this difficult period, so they can still find the new business partner without traveling. Guangzhou, China is the city of fashion product, and today we are happy to invite four fashion accessory suppliers from there to showcase their collection and show how they can help you to transform your design and your idea into product. All of them can produce in different style and different product, so please stay until the end of our show. In a minute, the four suppliers will take turn to present live in front of you. But before I introduce our first supplier, let me give you some guideline in introduction first. And you will see two button in your bottom of your screen. The first one is Q&A, and one is the chat box. In the Q&A, if you have the question for the supplier, please feel free to type in the Q&A boxes. Due to the time limits, we cannot answer all of your question and answer, but we will transform this question to the supplier so they can follow up afterward. And in the chat box, you will find the APF.com online showroom links. And then if you would like to have more detail and for the information, you can click the link to their showroom and then make the appointment with them and get more product detail. So let me invite our first supplier to the screen. The first supplier is the Guangzhou Yinduo leather factory, and Nancy from this company will do the presentation for us. Yeah, we can see Nancy here, and they already did the InTouch before, and this is the second time they do the presentation. They are very supportive, and please welcome Nancy. Hello, Nancy.
Hi.
Yeah, hello. So first of all, can you give us an introduction of your company and yourself?
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Nancy from Guangzhou Yinduo Leather Factory.
Yeah. So can you tell us your factory location and what kind of product you're offering to the customer?
Okay. Our factory located in Beiying area, Guangzhou. We produce our factory start open 2012. We mainly produce all kinds of high-quality Julius leather handbags and top PU microfiber bags. And also, we produce some personalized bags. Here, I will be showing some of our bags. This was some leather bags we produced. It's the 4-gram covered leather bag.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we produce some top PU material bags. As well, we also produce some soft leather, just like this one. It's lamb skin leather material bags. For the regard to the personalized bag, I will specially introduce later.
Okay. So, but can you tell us who are your current customer and which country are you targeting?
Now our customers mainly come from North America, Germany, United Kingdom, France, and other European countries. So also we have some customers from Australia. So we want to develop more customers from this area. Besides, we are planning to develop more markets, just like Japan, Korea, or some other countries.
Yeah, as we can see, you supply to many countries, but are you able to handle the bulk order from the international fashion group?
Yes, of course. Now we cooperating with some strictly quality brands, just like the Danbury Mint, Cruiser, and the 60, the American.
Okay. How about the quality control? Because I know you have a very great quality control for your product. Can you tell us about your quality control process?
Okay, as you know that Baiyun District is the most professional, high-quality bags produced center. Here gathered the most skilled bags works and with the best workmanship here. So our quality is very good and stable. Besides, we also choose 100% inspection for our bag goods.
Okay, yeah, it's 100% is very impressive. Can you explain more about the 100% inspiration?
Yes, we inspect all the bags one by one for all the bag goods because we care our quality very much. And we have very strictly quality standard for all the bag process. Besides, we have professional inspector and we can control our bag defective within 1%.
Okay, so we can see you very focused on your quality of your product. So how about certification? Because now the buyers is concerned about the certification of environment, sustainability, or other product safety. Do you have any certification on this area?
Yes, we've been cooperating with many environmental material suppliers, and we do a lot of environment orders. For the environment orders, all the back material, just like the outer material, the inner material, and the back hardware and the lining, the oil paints, all the back materials can pass just like the California 65 proposition and the REACH or other environment standard. Normally when the back for the environment orders, we will test all the back materials before we start back protection. Just like here was some test report. We will be testing not only the outer material, also we will test the hardware and the lining and the oil paints.
Okay, it's very great to have the certification because nowadays it's very important. So as you mentioned before, you would like to explain about your personalization production, the handbag. Can you explain to us in detail?
Yes, I'm very happy to introduce about our personalized bag because that a personalized order means that in the same order, each bag will be different from each other. And here I will be shoe bag. This was one personalized bag. For this style, the front brown arrow and the metal plectrum are the arrow that you can personalize. In the front arrow, you can see here has two letters in all the brands. For each bag, all the letters can be different from another one. Just like now it's GL, for another bag, it can be AB, AC, MK, or other letters. It depends on customer's order. Also, for this one, if we choose it in another letters, so it will be a different bag. The same, we can do the same for the metal plectrum. Now you can see here has a lid. Can you see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
For this metal plectrum, we also can personalize it, just like we can make it in different ones. So each bag's metal plectrum will be with different lids. You can even put your name or maybe the name of someone you like, or maybe your friend's name on it. Then you give the bag to your friends as a gift. So for this way, this bag will be very popular because the people think it will be very special when they carry it. This can be the personalized also can be used for any styles. If you have low personalized design now, it's okay. We can help you to start with your carriage style. So it will be need us to make some change. Then it can be a personalized bag.
Yeah, I think it's really interesting to have a personalized handbag. But it's just expensive to have this service because everyone is different. Every single handbag is different. Is this very expensive?
No, not really. Also, the personalized process is really complicated, and it requires the factory and their supply chain work very well, and especially with a high working efficiency. But we control our costs very good because that we already start the personalized production already 4 years ago. So we found our own way to control all the cost. The unit price for each personalized bag will be expensive about $2 to $5 compared with low personalized one. So it depends on different style and what area you want to personalize. As far as I know, here I will be show you another one because I don't know if I explain the personalized bag very clearly. So I want to show you another one. Just like this one, this is another bag, our personalized bag. You can see that this personalized area has 2 elements. One was the front, here the front pocket. Now here has the name LH. All the area has the same name. And here has the customer's name, Linda. For back, we can change the front pocket name to different one, just like maybe CW. And for the front pocket, maybe we can make it the name to this one. It will be different. So I don't know if I explain the personal details very clearly.
Yeah, I think it's very clear. So every single component can be different. So I think it's a really good service for our buyer because now consumer would like to have the unique product for themselves. So I think it's really good service. So how about, do you have any product you would like to show to others? Because we know you are the manufacturer, so the buyer or the company can provide the design to you, and you can help them to produce. Can you show us some product to show your skill of your worker? And yeah, can you show some product detail to us?
You mean the details, right?
Yeah, the detail of the product. You can show some product to them.
Okay.
怎么包？
是吧？ For the back details, actually, we are very clear about the details. So just like for the oil pans, for the stitch, can you see it? We keep all the stitch in the same distance. And for the oil pens, we choose the neatest paint way for all the bags. It's very different from traditional pens. It's thin and not so fat. And for this way, it need to burnish the paint many times, much more times than traditional way. So if so, the bags, the oil paint will be more durable.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Nancy, for your presentation. I think the buyers would like to contact with you afterward because, yeah, you can make the design to the real product. So, yeah, buyer, if you have any, would like to get the quotation or information from them, so you can go to the apf.com online showroom, and then you can make the appointment and have the one-to-one meeting with them. So, thank you, Nancy, today. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.